welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing a video explaining why I no longer use oil-based stains. Let's go on over to my workbench and get started. So what am I talking about? Why am I no longer wanting to use oil-based stains? Well, there's a few reasons. I'm going to list them out right here. Now, this is just a personal choice. But one of the main reasons is a little while ago, a new product came out. It was a water-based gel stain. And once I tried it, it was like, why use anything else? And then just this week, I was able to release 4 brand new Born in a Barn exclusive colors with the Lilly Paint Company. So I have 4 new Born in a Barn stain colors. I've been using this formula for over, I guess about a year and a half now, ever since it came out. And it's just one of those that is that good. It is that easy to use. It's water-based, so they're super blendable, easy cleanup, no heavy fumes. They're not flammable. I mean, the list goes on. Anyway, let's dive in and let me show you some of my new colors. These are my 4 new colors: Barnwood, Branding Iron, Reclaimed Wood, and Hay Bale. I am in love with these colors. I worked with Lilly Paint to curate these special Born in a Barn colors. This is Branding Iron here. This is Barnwood. This is Reclaimed Wood. And this is Hay Bale. One of these colors was curated and really thought about. I've been doing this a long time. And when you do something for such a long time and you work with so many different products, you start to not only develop your favorites, but you think to yourself, I wish I could have a color that. Well, that's what I created. So with Hay Bale, I wanted a color that mimicked that natural look. But you know that if you just go in and you top coat a natural wood, it's gonna amber or yellow. Well, 1 coat of this Hay Bale and you get that natural wood look, no yellowing. And then Reclaimed Wood. You know, a tan wash is so popular right now, and this mimics that beautiful tan wash that a lot of people are doing, but now you can do it with a stain and top coat in one. And then we have Barnwood. Barnwood is just a beautiful, deep, rich brown, but it doesn't have any red undertones, which you find a lot with the brown stains. And then Branding Iron, finally, this is such a cool color. It is actually a charcoal gray, but it's a warm charcoal gray, and it just gives that old look. Here's our subject for today. I've gone ahead and prepped it already. It's been sanded down to bare wood, and this is a client piece. They've selected the color Barnwood. So I'm gonna show you one of the main reasons I just love these stains so much and how easy they are to apply. And what do you need to get started? Well, we obviously need our stain. So this is our Barnwood color we're gonna start with. Something to apply it with. Now, I like to apply my stains with these foam brushes. Good quality foam brushes are always an easy way to go. Now for wiping off, you can use these blue sponges, which I use often. These come in handy when you're going to be blending several colors, but you can also use them to wipe back your stain as well. Or you can go traditional and just use a cloth. And then the last thing you're gonna want is a water mister bottle. This is a fine continuous spray water mister bottle. These stains are easily blendable and workable with water. One thing you always want to make sure you do is to shake these stain bottles up really well. Because they're a 2-in-1 formula, there will be separation. So before you go to use them, make sure you shake really well. Thing you're going to see me do here is spritz the piece down with water. I like to do this because it just helps with the ease of application, and if you're working in drier climates, it can also help that application go on much smoother. There's no rhyme or reason the way you apply the stain, you just get it on. The most important thing to do in the beginning here is just to get the coverage. And as you can see, I'm just working all of the little areas here to make sure I've got every piece of that wood surface covered. To get it all covered, then the next thing you're going to want to do is take either one of your applicators, either your foam sponge round applicator to wipe it back. I'm going to show you both. Or you can take your cloth lint-free paper towel or rag. These will take off a little bit more product, as you can see, so it just depends on what look you're going for. Our first coat is on and you can see just how easy that was. Really quick, really fast. This is one coat of coverage. Now you can build this up and do a secondary coat if you want, or you can leave it as is. Now the best thing about these gel stains is that they have that top coat built in. So if you don't mind the matte finish, you can leave this and it's done. What we're gonna do though is go ahead and add a top coat. I'm gonna use the Stellar Shield top coat. It's matching another piece that I did for my client, so I want it to look exactly the same. That Stellar Shield will give it more of a satin finish. All right, time to go in and top coat. We're gonna be using the Stellar Shield and my Zebra top coat brush. Now, I do the exact same thing. I mist my surface with my water bottle. This is gonna help create a beautiful final finish. The ease of the application with the top coat when you work with the water, because it's a water-based top coat, you can do this throughout. So you can start by misting your piece, and as you can see, I'm gonna mist in between. This is just gonna create the most spray-like, beautiful finish with a brush. Wait till you see how it comes out. You will not know if I brushed it or sprayed it. The other reason I highly recommend using a water mister bottle during the application process is you can see I'm working this tabletop quite a bit. Without the ease of the water application in between, you can tend to overwork it, which will cause brush strokes and drag marks. With the water, you won't have that happen. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscription button so that you're notified when all of my latest videos are released and you're a part of my community. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video.